Alright guys, good morning. We are having some issues with Thinkorswim. Dom, mine's not even restarting. It says it's installing updates. I have my back screen off because if it does pop up, I gotta put my password and username in. But we're just gonna be sitting here with a black background, I guess, until Thinkorswim decides to work. Hopefully this doesn't take too long, whatever their issue is. Hopefully they get it worked out so we can get to trading. But, this is going to be one of them things where it's a little sketchy. If Thinkorswim's acting funky and it does start working again, then you're going to want to be cautious. Let's see, mine finally just got done installing its updates or whatever. So let me log in and see if we get anything here. Yeah, I'm sure there's some people taking some losses right now. They're probably in pre-market. Okay. I'm trying to log in. I'm getting a error screen saying that it can't connect. So I don't know what is going on. Phone app works. Interesting. So it's just the desktop platform then. Well, we'll give it about 10 or 15 minutes here. You started your whole computer. I don't know if that'll help any. If all of us are having problems with Thinkorswim, then it's probably Thinkorswim. But it never hurts to try. But yeah, we'll give the stream 10 or 15 minutes here to see if Thinkorswim works. If it doesn't work, it's going to be really hard to do a live day trading stream if I can't day trade. So I don't, it is what it is. So, but like I said, we'll give it 10 or 15 minutes, and then maybe in 30 minutes or 45 minutes or something, if it comes back on, we might be doing a late stream. I don't know, but I can't trade at the moment until TOS works. So we're pretty much just sitting here. I'll show you guys real quick. So you can see there it's not wanting even to load. So it's kind of unfortunate. Thinkorswim's having issues today. So I'm gonna go look at some of the Facebook trading groups. Start breakdancing? Shoo. If I start breakdancing, I'm gonna break something. Let's see, I'm gonna look into some of these Facebook groups, see if anybody else is having problems. Most likely everybody is. Which is, it's fine. It's not like we're missing anything, because even if something is ripping, it's not going to rip that hard, because everybody who has Thinkorswim, which is a lot of people, will not be in the market. So volume's going to be light anyway until Thinkorswim starts working. So we're not missing anything. It's unfortunate. It's annoying. The Alabama trader, yeah, penny stock PJ. Where is he at? We need to find him. Get him to do a lesson. Last time I heard, penny stock PJ was down in Louisiana. He was fishing, I guess. As I said, Thinkorswim could not connect to the internet. He was down there fishing in Louisiana, and I guess he had an enlightenment and talked to a catfish, a little mud catfish, and the catfish told him the ways of trading without Thinkorswim on his new platform, Catfish Trades. So it's good for him. Yeah, I don't know what's up with TOS. I've never had it do this. I mean, there's been issues, but the fact that it won't even load or anything is pretty crazy. And I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people blowing up the helplines trying to, figure out what's going on. So I'm not going to start calling TOS. I'm just happy that I'm not in any pre-market positions. Because there's been a couple of days lately where I have played some pre-market stocks. And this would have been one of those times where it would have been a little tragic. T-Con is popping. Interesting. Trying to pull up. I wouldn't even do it, Dom. I wouldn't even try to trade on the phone. It's so difficult to do. So if I can pull up. Yeah, we're all having issues, Kofi. That's why I've got a blank screen right now. Thinkorswim is not wanting to work. So I'm looking if I can. Trying to pull up. The Webull platform. Yeah, I'm having problems. Yeah, mine's still not logging in. So I'm trying to pull up the Webull platform so I can at least look and see what is going on. I just gotta figure out. What is going on? The only thing I don't like about Webull is it doesn't. You have to pay for. You have to pay for level 2 and time and sales, which I don't really like that. to make sure there's nothing. Make sure there's none of my private information here on Webull. You getting on your phone? All right, so. Alright, so there I got Webull pulled up. Let's see if I can adjust this a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. So there I got Webull pulled up. You guys can see that there. T-Con is making a little bit of a move. Move from $2 up to $2.20, but you can see, you know, there's not a lot of volume. There's one nice big volume bar, but with the Thinkorswim messing up, it's gonna really cause problems with volume. So what you said, AYX, Kofi? Yeah, AYX popping up, $2 so far. Trying to think. Let's see. I haven't used this Webull platform enough, so I don't quite remember exactly how to add everything. Don't worry, Kofi. You're missing it, but you're not gonna miss too much. I highly doubt, with everything going on with Thinkorswim right now, that there's a lot of volume. See news. Here we go. What do we? Let's see. Get out of here. So okay. So I got that as orange one. Bam. T-Con. Bam. Whoops. Whoops. I'm doing things I shouldn't be. There we go. Alright, let's put this news. Let's move the watch list here. Put the news here. See how to add a symbol to this watch list. Yeah, I mean, it's annoying. It's annoying that Thinkorswim is having these issues. It's definitely very annoying. I'm trying to figure out how to... I don't know how to add on a watch list. Let's see, T-Con. Let's see, what was the dead cat? Let's see what it's doing. UBX, is that what it was? Yeah, here's the dead cat bounce. So 525 is some resistance there. Yeah, that's what mine says. Can't connect due to internet. Hold on, I'll check it real quick. So this is definitely an unfortunate start to this Monday of trading. Yeah, the first time it took mine a while there. Let me look around. TSLA up. Let's see. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what TSLA is doing. Yeah, Tesla making a nice push up. Overall, I think the market's rebounding some more. I mean, it had a little sell. It was a little choppy Thursday and Friday, but the market's climbing again here. I'm just trying to look and see in any of these Facebook groups if anybody else is having issues. See there, my Thinkorswim's on installing updates. Tcon's about to break out. Let's take a look at it. Oh, the downtrend line, yeah. Let's see, how do I... $230 area. Yeah, that's probably the resistance area of that downtrend. So your trend line would be like this. Boy, some of y'all are not patient. Hopefully Thinkorswim will be on soon, but for now, I'll just kind of work off Webull. If you guys have any stocks you want me to look at or whatever. I wish I could just figure out how to add stocks into this watch list. I mean, I do have a little bit of funds in this Webull account, but I'm not going to trade with it. Because not having the level 2 and the time and sales, I mean, we have level 1, but it's not really enough to trade with. And you can see Tcon pulling back there. Yeah, I know there's no symbols. I want to put symbols in this. So put one. No, that didn't work. How do I add to this watch list? Why is this so difficult? If I want to just let me click. Let's see. Got a lot of people joined so far, but for everybody who just recently joined, Thinkorswim is having issues. If you don't trade on the Thinkorswim platform, then you probably don't know it, but most of us use Thinkorswim. I use Thinkorswim, and this is the error I'm getting. So that's what my day trade account is, so I can't really trade. I've got Webull platform pulled up. So if you guys have any questions or anything, oh, I don't even know what ticker symbol that is. That's something I would never trade. I'll look at it, but OQZX.L. I don't even know if that'll pull up on Webull. Yeah, nothing's even showing up for that. I think I'm going to put a 0. I'm just going to put 0. Oh, right. Yeah, no, that's not going to show up on Webull. Webull's not quite as advanced as Thinkorswim is. Well, this is no, I didn't want Uber. See, no, that's not what I wanted. And UBX. There we go. Yeah, I don't even think it's an OTC stock. I think it's a foreign stock. Don't know if that. Are you? I don't. Are you in the U.S.? Are you trading on a U.S. broker? Because if you are, I don't think that's FedEx. If you're on a foreign broker that's not U.S., then maybe that's FedEx. But that's usually what a foreign symbol looks like. A non-U.S. ticker symbol. Now keep an eye on UBX as it's starting to make a little U-shape back up to this resistance. Possible dead cat. Yeah, it's gotta be non-US because that ticker symbol. It's not a regular ticker symbol. Unfortunately, my watch list of all the stocks that I was going to be watching this morning are on Thinkorswim, so I don't even remember other than UBX and TCON. Oh, see, the other one I think was OPTT. Let's see. Yeah, OPTT had a nice pre-market run, sold off so far. Found some support right there. I'll go look back at UBX again. So we're 30 minutes in and Thinkorswim is still not working. Is anybody in the chat who uses Thinkorswim and their Thinkorswim is working? Is everybody still having issues? Yours is not working? I'm assuming most everybody's is not working. I'm just curious is there anybody's whose is working? Is anybody on Thinkorswim and their Thinkorswim is working? I'm gonna look at these stocks, SK, and if you're pumping these, yeah, common sense. Yeah, it's the same thing that happened with mine. Let's look at FLDM and OPK. FLDM is actually looking decent if it breaks pre-market high. I mean, I don't think it's gonna rocket to the moon or anything, but it does look okay. Look like that could potentially be. Oh, actually, it did break pre-market high. I didn't realize the top of that little tippy of that wick broke pre-market high, so maybe something there. OPK. It's a possibility, but you're still in the downtrend. On Twitter, they said they're working on it. Well, hopefully they figure it out here soon. So we'll give it about 5 more minutes, and then if it doesn't work, I'm just going to call the stream, and then we'll, if it starts working later, maybe we'll jump back in here. Maybe we'll do a little bit later of a stream today when I can actually trade. Let's see, MBOT. MBOT's selling off. It is trying to find some support right where it's at, but still, you got a downtrend. So, a downtrend's like this. So you got a ways away before it even gets out of this downtrend. The MBOT did go on a nasty run in pre-market. T-Con's out of there. UBX. UBX is really losing volume. See, what was that other one? FLDM. There you go. FLDM. Does this get halted? No, it didn't get halted, but it is pushing up. It's going to be due for a pullback soon. It just ran 50 cents. How much volume was on this candle? That's unfortunate. Thinkorswim, or not Thinkorswim, but whatever it is. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, One Life. That's what I'm saying. I'm fixing to just call it a stream until Thinkorswim works, and then maybe, maybe later we'll do a late stream. Or a later stream, maybe a lunchtime stream or something. Or maybe we'll come back and power hour. Yeah, but I can't really do a live stream with my phone. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's going to kill volume for sure. That's why I'm not worried about missing anything. Like, there's nothing that's going to rock it because a good bit of volume is going to be lost because Thinkorswim's not working. See there, I mean, FLDM pulling back below this pre-market high because it can't get enough volume to break hard. So until Thinkorswim works. All right, One Life. Well, we'll see if we can get back in here, but have a good one, buddy. Could be an all-day thing with Thinkorswim. Could be a 30-minute thing. Who knows? Well, all right, guys. Let's just call it a day for now. We'll see what happens with Thinkorswim later, but I'm not going to make any trades while a major platform like this is broken down. I mean, I can't on that platform. I could try to trade on Webull, but I really don't want to. And like I said, a lot of volume, and like Kofi just said, or Dom said, all the volume is going to be really light, so... Sorry, guys. Hopefully they get it worked out. Maybe we'll be back later today, but if not, you guys have a great rest of your day. Until next time.